A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is anchored within, the only strength that endures the storm. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age where life accelerates faster than human senses can comprehend, the deepest struggle is no longer against external forces, but against the quiet erosion of inner stability. Technology connects the world in milliseconds, yet fragments the human mind with relentless noise. Amidst this turbulence, the ultimate survival skill is not aggression or competition. It is the mastery of inner alignment. The art of staying centered, healthy and optimistic is not a luxury. It is the lifeline of meaningful existence. Modern science reaffirms what ancient wisdom always knew. The mind and body are inseparably entwined. Nourishing food, physical movement, meditative silence, and contemplative rituals aren't lifestyle choices. They are fundamental recalibrators of human equilibrium. Exercise ignites neurochemical harmony. Mindful eating refines cognitive clarity, while deep breathing and meditation synchronizes the mind's chaos with the body's rhythm. Centuries before neuroscience, the revered Bhagavad Gita revealed this timeless principle. It declares, let a person lift oneself by oneself. Let not oneself sink into self-neglect, for the self is its own friend and the self is its own enemy. The Bhagavad Gita does not suggest escapism. It demands an active responsibility to nurture, govern, and elevate one's own inner state. External circumstances will always remain beyond control, but how one aligns internally is the true measure of strength. Modern cognitive psychology echoes this wisdom, emphasizing that emotional detachment from resulting anxiety and a process-oriented mindset are not just spiritual ideals, but pathways to mental resilience. In an era where identity is often trapped within digital validations and fleeting trends, the most radical act is to cultivate an unshakable inner sanctuary. whether through a mindful walk beneath the morning sky, the discipline of physical movement, or moments of intentional stillness. Each act of conscious self-alignment becomes an act of quiet revolution. What's the way forward? The future belongs to those who shift from external amplification to internal anchoring. In a world obsessed with artificial intelligence, it is time to nurture authentic intelligence, the intelligence of inner balance, calm clarity, and deep self-awareness. Societies must transcend traditional metrics of progress. Beyond GDPs and innovation indices, there must arise a new metric: gross inner stability, the collective measure of a population's emotional and spiritual well-being. The fusion of ancient contemplative practices with modern neuroscientific research is no longer a matter of wellness. It is humanity's blueprint for sustainable survival. Institutions, corporations, and educational frameworks must pivot to inner coherence models where success is redefined not by speed or competition, but by depth, focus, and emotional resilience. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita reveals, just as rivers flow into the ocean, which remains unmoved and steady, so do all desires flow into a person who has achieved inner tranquility, and such a person attains true peace, not one who is endlessly driven by desires. In this eternal wisdom lies the master key to human flourishing. The world will continue to surge with distractions, challenges, and noise, but the one anchored within remains radiant, resilient, and unshaken. This anchoring is not withdrawal from life, but the highest participation in it, rooted, clear, and unafraid. Mastery over the self is the revolution that no external power can match. It is not in dominating the world outside, but in mastering the world within that true strength is born. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.